Let's talk about something very simple yet very painful. It's expectations. Not the spiritual one, but the daily life जो हम everyday life में expect करके बैठते हैं उनके बारे में. You expected some things to happen to you that didn't happen. You texted somebody and they didn't reply. You gave your best in the hope that you will get the best and that didn't happen. And these are the regular things that keeps on happening on our day-to-day life. And suddenly there's irritation, confusion, there's anger. And why all this happens? Because there's a gap that's been created between your expectation and the reality. क्या आपको चाहिए एंड क्या मतलब ओरिजिनली है, उसमें एक गैप क्रिएट हो गया. योगा फिलॉसफी में इसी गैप को जो है हर सफरिंग का रूट कॉज बोला जाता है. तो आज हम इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं. चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं. Expectation is attachment in disguise. Maharshi Patanjali mentioned about raga and dukkha in Panchaklesha, where he said, suffering begins when the mind clings to an outcome, a person, a timeline, an image of how life should be. Most of us think that expectation is normal, but it's not. And most of our hurt actually comes from these expectations only. Our जो हमें दुख महसूस होता है वो इन चीज़ों से नहीं होता कि क्या हुआ है हमारे लाइफ में, what had happened, उससे नहीं होता. हमें इसलिए होता है कि what we thought should happen. तो यही जो है महर्षि पतंजलि बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं अपने योग दर्शन में, जहाँ उन्होंने पंचक्लेश का वर्णन किया है. हमने पंचक्लेश के ऊपर जो है ये वाला वीडियो डिटेल में बनाया है, आप जाके उसको एक बार ज़रूर जो है देखें. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो है जिससे आपको बहुत क्लैरिटी मिलेगी टू हाउ टू लीव योर लाइफ फर्दर इन अ ईजियर वे. सो दिस इज़ वाई द suffering actually happens according to Maharshi Patanjali. The mind creates a story. When we are not in awareness, we identify with the stories created by the mind. Expectation is one of those stories. We imagine how someone should behave, how success should unfold, how relationships should feel. Replace expectation with satya and swadharma. योगा फिलॉसफी में ये नहीं बोला गया कि आप इसको सप्रेस कर लें, बिकॉज अगर मन है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन होगा ही, हम उसको सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. वॉट इज़ एडवाइज्ड इज़ आप जो है इसको शिफ्ट कर ले थोड़ा सा. कैसे? आप जो भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिकेट इट विथ क्लियर बाउंड्रीज, डू योर ड्यूटीज़, डू योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. एंड इसी से जो है धीरे धीरे आपको जो हर्ट फील होता है, सैडनेस फील होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपेक्टेशंस, वो नहीं होंगी. Instead of expectation, speak your truth, that is Satya. Honor your role and responsibility, that is your Swadharma. And act without clinging to outcomes. And this is what Karma Yoga is. Freedom begins with letting go of how it should be. When the mind stops insisting, life stops hurting as much. Expectation creates contraction, awareness creates space. And this is why Maharshi Patanjali said, Yoga's chitta vritti nirodha. So when the expectation, when we lose the expectation, the peace actually gets created. हम जब expectation नहीं करते, that's when we are living our life to the maximum. And this is what yoga is according to Maharshi Patanjali. If you want to go deeper in these very texts, the traditional yoga texts like Yog Darshan, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Gheran Samhita and all, you can consider joining our online yoga TTC. We are affiliated under the Indian Yoga Association. हम योगा फिलॉसफी पे वीकेंड में वर्कशॉप्स भी कंडक्ट करते हैं, that you can consider joining them too. And of course you will meet some like-minded people also in that very workshops. If you are interested for any of this, you can call our team on this very number and register yourself. I hope this video helped. Thank you.